Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious. If you are here for the first time, you are welcome. So I make natural hair videos on this my channel on both relaxed and kinking hair. So as you can see, I'm just watching her hair because I want to make mini twist on her hair. And then after watering it, I'm just going to go straight and comb it out, but I'm not going to comb it out as it is by using my white tooth comb or whatever comb. No, I'm going to first of all part the hair. I'm going to part the hair for easy combing. Okay, by doing this, I'm not going to put more strain on her hair. I'm not going to put more tension. I'm not going to make it more painful or break her hair for her. No. After parting, then I'm going to go back and use that white tooth comb on her hair and carefully detangle. After detangling with my fingers, as you can see, then gently detangle with the white tooth comb. This to help reduce the tension, as I said earlier. Then if I want to use a smaller one, I'm going to use a smaller brush because of those tiny undergrowths at the end. Then I'm going to start my braiding. On her hair, I've already applied a moisturizer. I've applied a hair cream to it. My go-to hairstyle, which is my go-to hair cream, which is soulmate. Okay, so I'm just going to part the hair. Like I said, I want to do mini twists on her hair, but as you can see, her hair is pretty short at the back. So I'm going to show you how to make mini twists at the back to prevent it from standing. Okay, majority of us, when we make our twists, the twist ended, it ends up standing at the top. It's not relaxed. So I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to use this one below to show you the way normally we do it, and at the end it ends up standing. And I'm going to show you the correct way to do it. Okay, so many of us just go forward after combing the hair. We just go forward and start our braiding first, and then after braiding, we just go ahead and divide it into two and start our twisting. Yes, it's a very nice way to start your hair, but doing this on the short hair is going to make your hair not relaxed. Yeah, maybe for a few minutes it might be relaxed, but after a while it starts standing up, and you don't want that, do you? Okay, so I'm going to show you. Some of us just go ahead and twist down. This is why I like kinking hair. They look short, but when you continue braiding down, it's just keeps getting longer. Okay, let's get back to it. All right, so we continue to twist down, and when we release our hand, you see that it's not totally relaxed. Okay, many of us, we do this when we make our hair, especially when it is short, and we see that it's not relaxed. Okay, so I'm going to show you another way to do it, and then you're going to see the difference in the hair. Okay, so for this next one, I'm just going to braid as well. I'm going to braid it as well, but this style I'm going to do it in such a way as if I want to do a cornrow. Okay, it's just the same pattern. I didn't add any extra hair to it, so I'm just going to make the extra cornrow out of it. Then, as you can see, I went to the middle before I began twisting up the ends. Then you just watch out. Immediately I finish this, you're going to see the difference between this one and the first one that I made. Okay, so it's just going to be more relaxed than the other. Okay, take a look. You see the difference between the two. The first one is still standing while the other one is already relaxed. So we're going to take it down and refresh it. And I'm going to show you how I did the second one. Okay, so no matter how short your hair is, you can always achieve this style, no matter how small the pattern is. Okay, no matter how small the part is. So as you can see, I just started by dividing it into the sections. Okay, then I carried a little from the front, and as if I'm doing a cornrow, I just took a little piece, then took it to the back, brought it forward again, then just like that. As you can see, there's still some extra hairs at the back, so I just continued that way until that extra hair at the back is finished. Okay, this, like I said, I'm doing this in form of a cornrow, not just braiding at the tip. No, I'm doing this in form of a cornrow, so there's a little more attachment to the scalp. Okay, this helps it relax more. So as you can see, the cornrow is there, just a little visible. So if you don't look closely or you don't look very well, you won't see the difference between this and the normal braiding. All right, then I went ahead to divide it into 2 sections and I began twisting. So I'm going to show you when I was done with the back, and you're going to see how relaxed it is. Okay, as you can see, they are not standing up. They're actually quite relaxed for her short hair, because on a normal basis when you make her hair, you are going to see some standing, especially at the back, and it's not very nice. So when you do it this way, you get more relaxed hair. Yes. Okay, then we are done with the middle, and as you can see, they are still relaxed. So we're going to continue with the hair. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I make do with her front as well, that are also pretty short. So the main essence of this is to show you how to relax the hair, especially at the back and at the front, because those are the sides that are usually shorter than other parts of the hair. So stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see how I did everything. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button to follow up on future videos that I'm going to post later on. Okay, and if you have any comments concerning the video, don't forget to leave it in the comment section below. Okay, and I'll get back to you when I can. I made a lot of cornrows at the front before starting the twisting, because like I said earlier, the front of her hair has a lot of edges and undergrowth, so I needed to pick that side and make it more relaxed than other parts of the hair. So as you can see, we are almost done, and it's coming out really nice. So I'm just going to continue and I'm going to show you the finished product. So I'm done with the hair. As you can see, I'm taking them all up, and as they come down, you see that none of them are standing. They're standing at the back or at the front. Okay, so I did this, and she really liked the hairstyle. And when she went out, she used water at the front and at the back. Okay, because she just liked it bouncing and all. So she wanted some at the front, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.